comfy, cozy, yummy tasting, my version of pasta pizza casserole, perfect for cold winter days. Enjoy with some garlic bread and garden fresh salad. Welcome to Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my family recipe which I prepare often, and it is pasta pizza casserole. Now you must be thinking, what is this? This is the combination of pasta and pizza. I prepare the base of pasta, especially quinoa pasta, which is one of my favorite these days. I buy from Costco, and I then layer with pizza toppings. So that's the reason I call this pasta pizza casserole. So let's start making the casserole. Boil water in a large pot. Salt the water with at least a tablespoon. Take your choice of 1 pound pasta. Add pasta into the boiling water. Stir the pasta. Follow the cooking time on the package, but always taste pasta before draining to make sure the texture is right. Drain cooked pasta well in a colander. Another reason I love this casserole is that it's really quick and easy to put together if you have all the ingredients on hand. Now let's make creamy Alfredo sauce. For this recipe you can use ready pizza sauce or the Alfredo sauce as well if you want to save some time. On a medium heat, into the pan take butter and oil. Mince the garlic and add into the pan. Add plain flour, milk, shredded white cheddar cheese, salt, freshly ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, and here I have the Alfredo sauce ready. Ready to add cooked pasta, quinoa pasta. Stir really well. And now let me show you how I prepare tomato sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to cut tomatoes roughly and add tomatoes into the pot. And with tomato, I'm going to add garlic, cloves, salt as per your taste. Turn on the stove on a medium to high heat. Cover the pressure cooker. Put the whistle on, and here only one whistle. Release all the air before opening the cooker. Using hand blender, prepare the sauce. So as you can see, the sauce is ready. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the baking tray with oil. The very first layer is going to be the prepared pasta with Alfredo sauce. Next, I'm going to spread tomato sauce, then cheese, and I love to spread lots of cheese. I then garnish with commonly used vegetables for the pizza toppings like onion, bell peppers, olives, and the baking tray is ready to go into the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 minutes. And here I have the pasta pizza casserole ready to serve. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Comfy, cozy, yummy tasting casserole, perfect for cold winter days. Enjoy with some garlic bread and garden fresh salad. Garnish with some dry Italian herbs. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. Not only recipe videos but more than just cooking. Also, please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. And yes, you can also download free Bhavna's Kitchen app on your iOS or Android devices. And you can also watch me on a big TV screen on a Roku channel, Bhavna's Kitchen or Bhavna in the Kitchen. If you have a smart TV, thanks for watching and see you soon.